motion activate. Yeah.
Just go away from me. Get upstairs.
I don't want to go upstairs.
Max is upstairs.
Who is Max? I am the corruption god.
The dog. I'll show you.
No, I don't need people to show me.
Just come.
Fine. What do you want? I need privacy. Scanner activate. Okay. Alright, here we go, Grogu. So who's here? Hi.
Hi, do you know where the weapon shop is?
Yeah, it's right down the corner.
Alright.
You're welcome. Why don't people say thanks to me every days? What's a sound? Voice actor Brittany.
Yeah?
What's that sound I'm hearing?
That sound down there?
No, I'm hearing a sound. It's like boom, 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 boom,
Oh,
boom.
that's strange.
Whatever. I want to buy the gun.
Okay.
How much?
$55.
55? I thought this Nerf gun was about 12.
No, it's not.
What? Hey, may I speak to your manager?
Sure.
Ow!
Okay, not buying this gun if you laugh.
I can shoot you with it!
You can't.
Oh, that's heavy. Now, hold on.
We have more weapons over here.
No, wait.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Here, take this dollar.
Here's the gun.
Hold on, I got it. Sorry everyone about some bad video quality.
Come.
Yeah. Put it on the ground.
It's so useful.
I'm not useless.
Anyways, get out.
Why?
Because you don't really care.
Whatever. Good day. God.
Now leave.
Fine. It's raining. Something's not right. I mean, will that really work on a corruption god? Because I mean, it's a Nerf gun. Well, if Chuck Poop's Nerf gun worked on the Poppator, it has to work on a corruption god. noise? What is that noise? I have no idea. Probably just gonna forget it. No, it's kind of heavy.
Come on, Fortnite. Download. I want to do the new Spire quests. Well, it takes practice. Yep. Ah.
Yep.
Oh, shut up, Mondo. You're Lego.
What about me?
Well, I'm bigger than you. 9 minutes left. What do I do for 9 minutes? I'll go see what Daddy's up to. All right. Daddy? Wait, you're not Daddy.
Of course I'm not. I'm McVillain. Why?
Hold on. Oh, just listening to Eli's parents arguing again.
Oh, that sucks. Anyways, I was working on a portal that Trickbot told me to do before he disappeared.
Wait, what do you mean my daddy disappeared?
I don't know. He's been gone for like a few hours. He's not like going to Cole's Brittany or something.
Oh. Well. Ah! Stop my Nintendo!
Okay. Why?
It was supposed to turn off during its update. I want to do the new Spire quests.
Spire quests? Sounds stupid.
What's that portal for?
It's a portal to, you know, the corruption world.
Corruption world? Wait, is that the corruption god's lair?
Yeah, sort of. Boss and Trickbot really want to kill him. So, they told me to make this portal because I'm the only engineer in the Puppet League.
Oh, I thought Bosk was.
He's a bounty hunter.
Oh. Okay.
Anyways, I was going to use it once it's finished.
Okay. When's it going to be finished?
Soon. I don't know.
Okay. Can I see inside?
No, you have to wait till the portal is fully ready.
Oh, okay.
Right now,
Yeah?
I'm just seeing this is going to be a to be continued.